Yeah, we're still digging out here at, I think we'll call this the Buckeye site. See Micah and Mark down there hunting around that Buckeye tree, and over here's a few more. So it's been a really good site. We've been digging up a lot of goodies. We got Andrew up there still digging. But the finds have come out. We got a lot of good relics that seeded half, and I think we got plenty of video. Heck, we might have to turn this video into a two-parter. So we still got a couple hours here. We'll probably grab dinner, and then we got another site that we're going to continue to hunt into the night. So far it's been a really good day, and hopefully a few more relics and a few more coins pop out. Hunting that road still. Got a little signal here. It's kind of hitting weird. It's like a 717. It's a little hot. It's like on the 7-9 line, 7-9-18. So a weird signal. We'll get down and see what we got. Should be right in the middle there. The targets have kind of slowed down a little bit, so kind of chasing about everything we can. That's right in there. Sounds like it's right in there. Oh, we got a coin. I don't know if it's a coin or not. I'm not sure. It had some flower design on it. Looked like when yeah, I'm not really sure what that is, to tell you the truth. It's not a coin, I don't think. Maybe a saddle decoration or something, but sure looked like a coin when it came out of the hole, but we'll clean that up, see what it is. Turns out that this little coin-shaped object that I really wasn't all that excited about finding is known as a Boyd's battery. It was invented in 1878 by J.C. Boyd, and then he improved upon it in 1879. This was around the same time that electricity was all the rage in medical devices. So Boyd invented this thing. It consists of a bunch of different metals in this medallion, and it is said that if you would wear this thing around your neck, the reaction of these metals with your skin would electrify your blood and cure you of any ailments. So at first I wasn't all excited about it, but it turns out that it's a really cool find. I did the research and I'm really excited to have it. We're continuing our dig. We took a break after all the excitement of Andrew's seeded half and buckles and everything else. Went and had a little dinner, and now we're back at it. We're hunting a similar site, so one of the first targets I got here right now is coming in. It's a mid-range target. Doesn't sound too deep, but we'll get down, get after this, see what we got. Down in the hole on that mid-range target, I got, I don't know if you see it right there, but it looks like it's probably going to be a spoon. Looks like it's probably silver plated. That's kind of cool. Just pop that out of there. It's a big one, big old serving spoon. Oh, nice. Always cool to dig personal items like that from these sites. We know this site goes back into the 1850s, 60s, so very cool. Poking through all this iron, just got another signal. It's coming in like a mid-tone again, 12-22, somewhere in there. And it's about 4 or 5 inches, so we'll get down and see what we got. We got the hole open. I can hear it. It's right in there. Okay, it's gone. It's somewhere in this pile. Okay, it's in this clump. Oh shit. Okay, there it is, right on the back of that. Still stuck to the dirt clod. Not exactly sure what that is, but it's round, shaped like a coin. Might be, could be a button. Oh, it's a button. It's a one-piece button. It's got some sort of design on it. So I'll clean that off, get a nice picture of it. Okay, we got Micah just called us over. He said he found a little silver piece. He's not sure if it's a piece of a necklace or something, but it's dark, so we're going to go over and put some light on it and see what he's got. He just called us over to look at his little necklace pendant thing, and it's a frickin' 3-cent silver piece. That's fantastic.
Hold.
Hold. Oh, dude, those are tough to find in California. Oh, man. That is incredible.
Nice, man.
That's it?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's sick.
It is real sick right there. That front will clean up real nice. Oh, man. Killer.
Dude, that's a special find here, man.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Special find.
Nice. Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Wow.
Okay, Mark just called me over, said you got something in the hole, feels round, doesn't have any light on it, so we're gonna come in. Oh,
seated.
Dude.
Seated dime.
Seated dime. Damn, this is a day for coins.
1851.
1851. Fantastic.
Wow.
Congratulations,
Nice.
man. Awesome.
Yep.
Another coin for the pouch. Digging right by this foundation. Digging in the dark. Turn the light on. And that's what's looking at me right there.
More of the silver right here.
So, sweet. Dude, it's one of the cast brass ones too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Badass.
Nice wreath buckle right there. Oh, sweet. Mark was just talking about we need to dig a buckle out of here, so nice score.
Badass.
Nice heavy duty one. Well, we just wrapped up our day. It was one heck of a day. As you can see, it is 2:37 in the morning. I just dropped off the boys. They had a fantastic dig today. They got across some great targets. Seated half, silver 3-cent piece, seated dime. So, time to get on